may have heard the term roundhouse or full arch, which is a restoration that replaces all the missing teeth in an arch that can either be what we call semi-removable, where only your dentist can remove the restoration for cleaning. You don't remove it yourself, or it can be fixed where it's not removable at all and cleaned in the mouth at all times. A roundhouse restoration is the closest thing to having your teeth back, and that's because it does not take up space in the mouth that's not normally taken up by the teeth. There's not extra restoration being extended into areas. That allows for better taste also. So if you're missing all of your teeth and you want the best procedure dentistry can provide today, I'd be happy to help. Come on in for a consultation.